Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.